So here's the very tricky last example and last video of linear motion, or 1D linear motion. Two objects P and Q are situated 120 meters apart. P has an initial velocity of 2k meters per second and a constant acceleration k meters per second squared. While Q has an initial velocity of 5k minus 1 meters per second and an acceleration of 2k plus 4 meters per second squared, where k is real and k is greater than a fifth. So we're told to find the time at which they collide in terms of k and the speed at which P is traveling a third of the way through the journey. So there will be a lot of nasty algebra. So if you don't like algebra, I wouldn't recommend trying this question because it gets very messy. But if you like algebra, have a go at it and come back to see the solution. So here's just the first part of the solution. With our two CVAT tables, we get SP is 2kt plus a half a kt squared, and Q is is 5k minus 1t plus a half of 2k plus 4, which is k plus 2t squared. So SP plus SQ is 120. So when doing this, when grouping the t squareds together, we get 3 halves k plus 2t squared plus 7k minus 1, so that's the 2k and the 5k minus 1. And then we get the half k and the k plus 2 to get the 3 halves k plus 2. And then minus 120 is 0. So the time at which they collide, I decided to work out the discriminant first. So the b squared minus 4ac part first. After expanding and simplifying, you get 49k squared minus 734k minus, or plus 961, which doesn't actually factor nicely. You could try complete the square on this if 961. Okay, 961 is just 31 squared. So you could try this. I wouldn't recommend it because it does also take a while completing the square. And then after, you just do negative b, so that's 1 minus 7k, or minus 7k plus 1, doesn't really matter. Blah, 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 and divide by 2 times a, which is 3k plus 4, after you multiply out. So the time taken is 1 minus 7k plus the square root of 49k squared minus 734k plus 961 divided by 3k plus 4. Now the second part is to find out when they collide a third of the way through the journey. So a third of the way through the journey is t thirds. So essentially you're just multiplying by 3 on the denominator. So the denominator here is 3k plus 4. Multiplying by 3 there, you get the time is 9k plus 12. So v equals u plus at. UP we found as 2k. And then after multiplying everything out, bringing the k inside, we get there should be a k actually out front here because it's multiplying with this as well, so there should be an out front k, because k is multiplying in with everything else. So the velocity is 2k plus k minus 7k squared plus k lots of this divided by 9k plus 12. And that's the solution to that very complicated problem, and well done, you've made it through linear motion.